Everyone's pitching the same offer with a different wrapping. If you're in the agency space, your cold emails and paid ads, they're pretty much poodles. Poodles in a bulldog fight, right? They're cute, but definitely not built for war. And if you're not looking at business in the agency space that way right now, you're probably not built to last. I mean, in a market completely flooded with free audits, get more leads, more promises, your offer probably isn't getting ignored because it's bad. It's getting ignored because it's absolutely identical to everything else that's out there, right? Every agency owner is sending the same cold email templates, running the same Facebook ad copy, and pitching the same generic value propositions. The prospects you're trying to reach, they're getting hit with dozens of nearly identical pitches every single week, right? And let's be brutally honest here. You're not going to outposition a market this saturated with the same tried approaches that everyone else is using. Um, I think you need to completely outmaneuver the competition instead of trying to outshout them. And that's exactly what everybody's trying to do. Send more, get louder. But this is exactly why we built what we called Trojan Horse Offers. 7 field tested angles that don't beg for attention like desperate vendors scrambling for scraps, right? We've all seen that. They break through the front door like strategic assets that prospects actually want to engage with. They aren't just renamed audits, repackaged consultations, or slightly tweaked versions of what everyone else is doing. They're proven working assets pulled directly from real campaigns that have generated millions in revenue. And that's what people aren't doing nowadays. Specifically, these were designed to create instant buying signals, right? Generate serious momentum with decision makers and open doors to revenue opportunities that your competition and competitors just can't access. Each offer is built to position you as the obvious choice instead of another vendor fighting for attention. The first time ever, we're walking through all 7 strategies in a comprehensive live training where we break down the psychology, the implementation, probably most important, the scaling behind each approach and each specific offer. So, what you're seeing on my screen here is a quick little overview of the Trojan horses. And it's showing number 1. First, we go into what does a Trojan horse offer. So again, this is going to be part of what's covered in the training I'm talking about. I'm not going to spend all the time in this video, but take a quick look at, understanding what a Trojan horse offer is. Then we show you the 7, again, research, battle tested, proven Trojan horses that I had just mentioned. Trojan horse 1, boom, here's how you'll use it, broken down. Trojan horse 2, boom, here's exactly how you'll use it. So all the applications and implementation, broken down step by step, offer by offer, and how these stand out. I think we both know that in this space right now, what I'm talking about here today offers in a saturated market. I think there was a book that came out, maybe 2.5, 3 years ago that hit the market that a lot of people are familiar with. And it kind of shaped what we're seeing now with this with this market saturation, with all these guarantees, you don't pay XYZ, right? And that's not what the lasting agencies are doing. That's what the agencies that are doing that are grabbing quick revenue and then also getting hit with, just as much in chargebacks the next month and they're gone, right? So what we're doing this workshop for is if you're really completely tired of getting ghosted by prospects, outgunned by louder competitors who just throw more money at the same broken strategies, this is your opportunity to get sharper instead of louder, right? So you guys can all register for the free live training now below. We'll show you exactly how, again, each offer works, where exactly to deploy them for maximum impact, and how to tailor them specifically to your market. So, guys, I will reiterate, don't get louder, get sharper, and get a good offer.